In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Adobe InCopy to the latest version. We'll use the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app, which is the official and most reliable way to keep InCopy current, stable, and secure. Start by opening the Creative Cloud desktop app on your Windows or Mac computer. This is the same app you used to install InCopy in the first place. If you don't see it on your computer, you can download the Creative Cloud app directly from adobe.com and install it before continuing. Once it's open, give it a moment to load your account and apps. Inside Creative Cloud, head to the Apps section. Depending on your layout, you'll find apps at the top or in the side menu. This area shows everything you've installed, along with other Adobe apps available to you. It's the central place for managing updates, so you won't need to hunt through system settings or separate installers. Now, scroll through your list of installed apps until you find Adobe InCopy. It should appear alongside your other Creative Cloud apps. If you have a lot of Adobe tools installed, take your time to scan the list so you land on the right one. Next to InCopy, look for the Update button. If a newer version is available, Creative Cloud will clearly show Update right there beside the app. Click Update, and the download and installation will begin automatically. Creative Cloud handles the entire process for you, so you don't have to manage files manually. The progress bar will show you how things are going, and the time it takes will depend on your internet speed and system performance. If InCopy is currently open, you may be prompted to close it so the update can complete smoothly. If you don't see an Update button, that simply means you're already on the latest version, and you'll likely see an Open button instead. Once the update finishes, you can launch InCopy as usual, and your projects and settings should remain intact. Keeping InCopy updated ensures you get the latest features, performance improvements, and security fixes. Adobe releases new versions regularly, and as of late 2025, the latest is version 21.0. It's a good habit to check the Apps section periodically, so you're always up to date. That's all there is to it. Open Creative Cloud, go to the Apps section, find InCopy, and click Update. Simple, fast, and official. If this helped, keep your Creative Cloud app handy and revisit it anytime you want to make sure your Adobe tools are current.